Hey folks, we're just gonna do a parade here, see what we get. Got a 1934 Chevrolet sedan. Beautiful. Look at that paint job. Look at that pinstripe in. Look at that hood ornament. Wowzy wowzy. What do we got here? 62? Yep, 1962 Chevy. Is that an Impala or Bel Air? Can't tell. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a Bel Air. Okay, perfect. So, excuse me. Nice. Just amazing. Keep going here. We got a 72 Chevy Nova SS. This one looks familiar too, but I can't ever be sure. Are they my Mustang folks? No. But it is a Mustang. Already did the 69 Roadrunner, I believe. Did this one too. Alright, let's come around this way. See what we got. Grand Prix. Oh wow. So Pontiac Grand Prix. Okay, I might have to stop this long one and do a short video on this because the first